Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down, just keep going down here. So then you will find here apps, click on it. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for WordPress app, but just click on search. Then here add WordPress, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage here. You come to storage here, click on clear cache. Then all you have to do is, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here. So then you search here for WordPress, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.